This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Tuesday, March 26th of 2013. Well, for the next several days, we don't have any hazardous weather that's expected. For all of northern Michigan, it's going to be a rather quiet time period for weather. But we will run you through the maps, starting off with the current weather map. There's still deep low pressure off the New England coast, and that has kept northerly winds and colder air across the Great Lakes, and that is helping to spark some light snow shower and flurry activity across the region. That's also enhanced by these surface troughs that are rotating around that low pressure. And that pattern is going to continue all the way till tomorrow and even into Thursday, as we see another trough here Wednesday wrapping through, which will hang around here on Thursday as well. So we're expecting similar weather all the way through Thursday with some periodic flurries across the area. Then that high pressure that we see there on the map starting to work into the western part of the Great Lakes will fill in for Thursday and through the day Friday. And that'll be really quiet weather with nothing expected as far as precipitation. However, we will be watching on Easter Sunday that there's going to be a low-pressure system that works through the northern Great Lakes, and we're expecting to get some rains out ahead of this first, but then back behind this low pressure as it passes by. A pretty strong cold front will drop down through here and keep winter around. Accumulating lake effect snow is a possibility behind this system, but we'll have to wait on these details over the next several days. Speaking of details, for today, we have some late-day clearing that's expected. That's mainly going to be across the northern half of the region, north of M32. And also some sunshine coming out for later this afternoon. Temperatures are going to be similar to what they were yesterday, highs in the upper 30s to the lower 40s. And we do see that temperatures do warm slightly as we go into the weekend to where the lower to middle 40s are expected, and that rain comes in Saturday night. And again on Sunday before the cold air comes rushing in on Monday. And again, no hazards to be concerned with all the way up into the weekend. And that will wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. Thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.